Hello everybody, I'm Dan. In my Gotcha episodes, I present unusual examples of source code and have you try to figure out what the result will be. I'm going to open up my web browser to javacjava.com, my website here, select menu, and then Gotcha. I'm going to be selecting episode 3, which is entitled, You Named Your Child What? Chances are that if you name your child Blanket, then this source code makes perfect sense. I'm going to come down here and highlight the source code, hit Control-C to copy, or right-click and select copy. Go ahead and give you a quick minute to take a look and see what you think of this. Okay, I'm going to move the browser off screen here. And I've got a shortcut to the command prompt on my desktop, but if you don't, you can create one really quick by right-clicking, selecting New Shortcut, typing CMD, Next, and Finish. All right, let's go and open that up. First thing you want to do is type in javac, which is Java compiler command. You should see all this stuff scroll by. However, if you receive an error, go ahead and watch my tutorial on installing the Java Development Kit. You want to make sure you get that installed and configured properly before continuing. CLS to clear the screen, CD space /, CD is short for change directory, and / tells it to go to the root. I'm going to make a directory called Java using the MD command, and then change directories to the Java folder. Now I already have the Java folder, but if you don't, it'll create it for you. I'll make another directory here called Gotcha 3. Change directories to the Gotcha 3 folder, Notepad. Gotcha3.java. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and just save this here. And you're probably thinking, A, will this even compile? But then B, if it does compile, are we going to get all sorts of strange stuff, displayed to the, or exceptions, or what's going to occur? That's just nuts, isn't it? One giant hot mess there. Let's go ahead and compile it. It compiled, look at that. All right. And let's go ahead and run it. And we got 41 displayed to the console. Okay, so if you haven't watched my tutorial on naming conventions yet, you want to go ahead and watch that, because those are the rules specifically spelled out on what you can name your variables or fields or methods or everything like that. So with that being said, if I call my string variable, right? If I call that integer, that's actually perfectly legal. Java doesn't care. And I can call my integer variable Boolean, and it doesn't care either. And it keeps all this stuff straight, passing in integer. You might think, well, that's might be the integer class. How does it keep it all straight? And this is the Boolean wrapper. What is going on here? That's just nuts. So. And this is one hot mess of code, but basically the moral to this little Gotcha episode there is just to go over the naming conventions. And in fact, it's pretty impressive that Java actually is that robust to keep all this stuff straight. Not only just in the compiler but also in the virtual machine too. So I'm going to go ahead and close out of this, get rid of that, and that pretty much is it. Thanks for watching.